yazi ade sagcina ukubona kuhlanganisa squad se-under 23 because the last squad that we saw u-under 20 yabo bebedlala iKhosafa lapha bawina abafana and inhle kakhulu lento abayenza ngoba imost yabo bazopromote abaye phezulu isalidinga ithalente elikanje kwibafana bafana so ku-under 23 asikakaze like recently kade kagcina ukuthi kuhlanganiswa abafana uthi bayodlala le so mina ngidecide ukuthi azini with the majority of young players abadlalayo ku-PSL right now in abroad abadlalayo sohlanganisa i-first 11 ye-under 23 mase ngibala abanye-ke abangaphandle abanayo i-chance ukuthi bangene futhi kuleyo first 11 yabo mhlawumbe ungangitshela nawe ngibakhohlwayo lapho kuma-comments but ugoalkeeper ngaya ku-Fletcher Lowe mengimpronounce wrong ungangicorrecta lapho kuma-comments but ugoalkeeper abafana bade bedlala u-under 20 uyena ade evimbile yambola ade ethole i-award udlala phesheya kwi-team ekuthiwa i-Estoril Praia yabo uloni oyi-Benfica kahle kahle umdlalo we-Benfica uloniwe kwi-team ekuthiwa i-Estoril Praia so ngaqalisa yena as number 1 goalkeeper webafana bafana under 23 una 17 years old lo goalkeeper lo nje ubumbona kuthi ka right back ngaqalisa umdlali weStellenbosch FC una 21 years old uKyle Jurgens again wangicorrect ama comments mengilisho kambi igama lakhe umfana but uyadlala ngempela uyayimisela and angafitha kwi squad se under 23 ubona wakho umuphi umunye umdlalo ongangena kuthi center back yami yokuqala kube khona uMalibonge Khoza umdlali weMamelodi Sundowns sathana kupromote uyadlala ngempela umfana and uneminyaka u20 yabo at center back gibe noOlwethu Makhanya is a former Stellenbosch FC manje usedlalela i-team yaphesheya e-America kuthiwa iPhiladelphia Union ngokunjalo una 20 years old kuthi left back yami ngibe noAseko T1 udlalela iMamelodi Sundowns futhi una 19 years old and usathana kusuka kuSukuna United mfana is very talented yabo uyadeserve ukuba khona kwi-under 23 mase ibe khona mase siye center ngaqalisa uSamkelo Semasongo Samkelo Zwane umdlali weKaizer Chiefs and una 22 years old so uyadeserve ukuthi adlale ku-under 23 webafana bafana mase ube khona and alongside him uzodlala noGawugelo Chauke umdlali una 21 years old and usedlale kakhulu phesheya for his age yabo right now udlalela iclub ekuthiwa uBurton Albion sekwadlala futhi neSouthampton njani imbona nje la uthi ku left wing ngaqalisa lo mfethu lo uShandre Campbell wenze ibukwayo lapha kwiClub Brugge so uyadeserve ukuba kwiClub ye-under 23 yebafana bafana uyadeserve even ukuba kwibafana bafana yabo sibe khona uDe-under 23 uyadeserve mfana usabe khona kuthi ka right wing ngafaka umjido weOrlando Pirates uMohao Nkota yabo niyamazi uMohao Nkota umdlali weOrlando Pirates uneminyaka u20 umjido yabo so uyadeserve ukudlala ku-under 23 yebafana bafana kuthi kwi-attacking midfielder ngaqalisa lo mjido lo uJaden Rhodes is a good player Jaden Rhodes yabo underrated kakhulu it's a pity ukuthi abantu abaningi abakhulumi ngayo lo mjido lo yabo and not big ama big clubs angwaboni efuna ukumthenga yabo kweCape Town City but uyadeserve ukuthi abe khona kule under 23 squad yabo una 21 years old iminyaka isamvuma kuthi ku striking position ngaqalisa lo mfethu lo uYanela Mbuthuma una 22 years old udlala eRichards Bay yabo uyadeserve ukuthi aqale kule under 23 squad uyistriker esleader usathana ukukora nje against iKaizer Chiefs izolo ade bedlala izolo ngokubona kwenu bapha abadlali abadeservayo ukungena kule squad le angikwazanga ukumbala umfuking angikwazanga ukumbala uThapelo Moseko because those players play for ibafana bafana yabo they can't be featured kwi-under 23 bakhona uAtheko Semcaba ngibengababala kule scheme bakhona uWandile Duba bakhona uVilakazi bakhona uMduduzi Shabalala bakhona osiyabonga Mabhena bakhona oLangelihle Phili bakhona uKutlwane Lwetlahu bakhona uPuso Ditsejane bakhona uAndiso Sithole bakhona uIme Okon bakhona Omega Mdaka bakhona Neo Rapo there are many young players now la South Africa right now ngiyangijabulisa ukubona italent elincane kanje yabo liphokophela lifuna ukuchallenge abantu abadala so as a country ezibafana bafana siya kude ngempela because ibhola lethu njoba silibona nje right now liyaphokophela ngokwenu obaba abadeservayo ungena kwi-under 23 squad and munayo i-first XI yakho i-under 23 squad ungangibhalela lapha kuma comments ungitshela ukuthi yipi i-first 11 njalo i-first 11 under 23 squad sibe khona yabo because the last time ngiyibona i-under 23 I think sashawa i-Egypt ngo 3-0 I think it was 2021 or 2020 lapho nje yabo ungangikhumbuza ama